The Wankel engine, which is also known as a rotary engine, was developed by Felix Wankel in the 1950s. Unlike a piston engine that translates an up and down motion of the pistons to a rotation of the shaft, the Wankel engine directly converts pressure into rotating motion. The Wankel engine is composed of a three-sided rotor. At the rotor's corners, seals can be found. Furthermore, the rotor features internal teeth that are meshed with a fixed gear. This fixed gear is attached to the housing and ensures the correct movement of the rotor within the housing. The rotor is surrounded by an oval-like epitrochoid-shaped housing that is equipped with spark plugs. Furthermore, an engine inlet and an exhaust outlet can be found in the bottom of the housing. Once the rotor is set in motion by the combustion of the fuel-air mixture, it rotates and transfers the kinetic energy to the eccentric shaft that drives the wheels. We can see here that the Wankel engine does not have several components of standard piston engines, such as crankshafts and camshafts. Now, let's have a look at the basic working principles of a Wankel engine. The Wankel engine is an internal combustion engine that uses the 4 strokes of the typical Otto cycle to generate kinetic energy. During the first stroke, the rotor rotates and draws in the fuel-air mixture because of the drop in pressure. Afterwards, during the second stroke, the rotor compresses the fuel-air mixture to a high degree. As soon as the mixture is compressed to the highest degree possible, the spark plugs ignite the mixture of air and fuel in the third stroke. This forces the rotor to rotate and to expel the spent fuel-air mixture through the exhaust outlet during the fourth stroke. These 4 strokes occur at all 3 sides of the rotor. That is, 3 actions take place during one rotation of the rotor.